What's up, everybody? I'm super excited. I got my first Influenster box today from Carol's Daughters. I'm so happy. I've been wanting one of these boxes for forever, so I cannot wait to open it, and I'm going to do that with you. So I don't know why I'm being so weird, but no, I'm gonna open this up with you guys. And let's see, hopefully I won't need scissors. So I've been like wanting one of these boxes when I first started, got on Influencer. I was like, how do you get a box? So I was like waiting for this. And basically, you just kind of do some surveys, you fill out some stuff, information about yourself, so they know like what you would fit best, like what like you'll actually benefit from, and slowly but surely you get one. Okay, so what we got here is, let's see, Wash Day Delight. This is Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner. I've never tried something like this. It's really pretty though, right? So I never tried like a jelly to a cream. Let's see. I can smell it. It smells kind of like, what is that called? Yeah, rose water. That's what I was thinking of. It has rose water in it. But yeah, this is conditioner, so that would be fun to try. And then this Wash Day Delight, Love It First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo. This also has rose water in it, so that's great. I like using rose water. Also, with these products, there's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, and no artificial colors. So that's really great. And I'm excited to use these. I've never used Carol's Daughters before. I mean, I think maybe like one time when I was first natural, and I've been natural since like 2011. So, oh my God, that's 10 years. Yeah, I've been natural for 10 years. So, yeah, that's been a long time, but I'm excited to use these, and the packaging's so pretty. And guys, full bottles. This is not sample size stuff. So that's awesome. And this is just what the box looks like, how it comes. Package is so cute. It's all, I think what I like is that it has, like, it's all branded, so it's really nice. And then you just get this. It tells you how to use it, which it's shampoo and conditioner, so it's not really, you know, you don't need directions on that for real, but it does tell you. And it says, just to kind of tell you what this side says, it's gentle scalp care, doesn't strip your hair blossoming with shine, 10 times easier detangling, and 5 times more moisture, which if you're natural, moisture is obviously super important. So yeah, I'm trying to see what this other thing, okay, this just tells you kind of from Influencer what to do on the back, but I'm super excited to try it. I'm going to wash my hair like today or tomorrow, and I'll let you know how it goes. I'm gonna do some videos, and I am doing this to give honest feedback, and that's how I got the products. So catch you on the flip side.